cute.
Ay, ko kayo.
Alis ka na!
Ayos na, ayos. Oh, I'm a big fan of Sandara. Can I have a photo with our pamansang krong-krong? Pwede ba ako makapag-picture sa'yo?
Siyempre.
Okay, okay. There we go. Palabang mo natin, Miss Sandara Park! We are just so overwhelmed na nangyayari tong event na to. Hindi namin alam kung panaginip. Kasi isa kang matinding panaginip eh. Ganong katindi si Miss Sandara Park. Do you have any message? Ano ba dapat pang-abangan natin? And your message for Penshop?
Robby, thank you. Sobrang saya ko ngayon na dahil ikaw ang host sa event na to.
Thank you, thank you so much.
And thank you talaga sa Penshop na nagbigay ng chance to meet with my fans. And ngayon, nag-isa lang ako. Pero sana next time, kasama ko na yung mga girls. Gusto namin talaga bumalik para mag-concert. So, supportahan niyo kami. And ingat kayo pa uwi. Ayoko umalis. Paano yan?
Huwag muna. Huwag mo muna umalis. Ito mo muna. Stay here. Stay in our hearts. Siyempre.
Ang saya-saya mo dito eh.
Yun. Pero hopefully mangyayari yan again this year. This event will happen again this year. Yes? Gusto nyo ba mangyari yun? Another meet and greet? Another concert for Miss Sandara Park? Ayan, ang dami naghihintay. Siyempre, thank you so much. Whoops! Grabe, to Miss
Thank you!
Sandara Park and Penshop. Palabang mo natin, Miss Sandara Park and Penshop. Thank you so much. And there we have it. Thank you for being here, Sandara.
Thank you.
We had fun. And
Babalik pa naman ako ulit. So, I don't want to say bye. See you again next time. Tansha. Alis na po.
And you'll always be in our hearts. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, put your hands together for our Sandara Park.
Thank you! Mahal ko kayo! Ingat kayo! Bye!
Thank you so much.
Hindi, bye. See you again. Thank you.
Never a goodbye for Sandara. Always. See you later. See you around next time. And of course, maraming salamat sa Penshop for making this event possible.